So today I have the Tub and Tile spray paint. It was given to me by the brand Sunvin, and I'm gonna be reviewing this product. It has 4.1 stars out of almost 200 reviewers on Amazon. Oh my bad. I almost dropped it. And you can use it on tub and tiles, refinish tiles, tubs, tiles, showers, countertop sinks, marble surfaces, and ceramic surfaces. And let's see, at the shake well for 2 minutes before use. Maintain a spraying distance of 20 to 30. After use, spray upside down for 3 seconds. It also withstands high temps, resists peeling, excellent durability, anti-scratch, chip resistant, high stiffness, and ultra smooth. And avoid water and buzz for 6 days after finishing. Um, I'm gonna be using this on my toilet because there's some rusting happening there. But like this is the overall product. I'm gonna be shaking this outside of the camera, and then I'm gonna show you guys how it looks like with one coating or like a few coatings to see how it looks and give you guys my honest opinion on it, because like I said, it was given to me by the brand, and I just want to give my honest review on it after actually testing it out myself. So as you can see here, I do have some staining, and I already shook it for about 2 minutes, so I'm going to be spraying the paint on. So see if you guys can see. I'm going to do a little bit and show you. It's dripping right now, but I can actually clean that up so it doesn't go everywhere. And look, it wiped away. You can't even see. And it did. Mine is not fully white, but as you can see, it did cover really well. And that was just one coat, so if I did it all around, I definitely would see a difference. So yeah, you don't have to be wasting a lot of paint to coat it, and I would definitely recommend this. Hi, I go under the name of Sweet Dream, and I do review videos for fun. I review products that I'm gonna be using in my own house or for myself, that whether that be skincare or anything like that, and or if it's gonna be for a family member that I want to give it to. Just letting you know, some of these products I review, it's either between I bought the product myself or the product was gifted to me by the brand. I'm just letting you know so you're self-aware. And then the link down below takes you to Amazon. I am an Amazon affiliate. So if you purchase through my link, I may get a commission at no cost to you. So I'm just letting you know so you're aware of that. And that link does take you straight to Amazon on your, if you're on the phone and you click on it, it's going to take you straight to your, if you have the app downloaded on Amazon, it's going to take you straight there. And like I said, I just review stuff for fun, and I'm really grateful for doing this. If you want to see more, I do post as much as I can, and just like and follow and subscribe.